Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a Ragdoll in Unity. So, to begin with, we're going to import a character, and I'll have a link to it in the description. We're going to set the Ragdoll over this guy, a little funny looking dude, a kooky, wacky, funny looking dude. Alright, so open up this folder, open up this folder, open up this folder, until you find the prefab, and drag that in, and then it's going to be at 0, 0, 0, so we're going to make a plane for him to stand on. And then we're going to turn him around because I have the camera facing the other way. Shit, alright. So if we play it now, shouldn't have any issue, but there's nothing going on. So, to make this ragdoll, we need to right-click 3D object Ragdoll, and that's going to bring up this pop-up window. We need to fill all of these variables with stuff. So let's open up the drop-down menus for the character, and then under hip we're going to find abdomen and pelvis. Pelvis is going to be pelvis, then abdomen is going to be the lower spine, or middle spine rather. Then if we go into pelvis, we're going to find left thigh. Left thigh is going to be left hips, right thigh is going to be right hips. And the thing about setting these variables is that most of the time they're going to be like most of the time the names of the variables are going to be different from the actual names of the body parts. So you're just going to have to guess a little bit, but it should be kind of obvious. So next we're going to assign a left shin to left knee, and then a left foot to left foot, and then repeat for the right. Then once we're done with that, we're going to close the pelvis and open up the abdomen. And then under neck there's the head, put that at the bottom under head. And then under right collar we got right shoulder, that's going to be right arm. And then right forearm is going to be right elbow. And then repeat for the left. And now we're done. So if you press create, close this down, and then play, we should have him fallen down. Perfect. So the next thing we have to do is make, well, we could leave it like this, but I'm going to show you how to also control it. And to do that we need an Animator Controller. So right click, create a new Animator Controller, name it what you want. I'm going to drag it up here. And fucking open this up. We need to make a new state, and we're going to call it idle. Now we're not actually going to animate this character ourselves, so I'm going to import an assets package. It's going to be characters. Just import the whole thing. So once that's imported, you're going to have this folder right here. Open that up, and then we're going to go into characters, 3D characters, or third person, animation, and we're going to find humanoid idle. And then drag that, oh shit. Select this, drag it onto this, unless it doesn't let us. Alright, so we're just going to search it actually. Humanoid idle. So now when we play, rather than going straight to Ragdoll, it's going to be in this idle animation. And that's good. That's all we're going to do for the animator actually. The next thing we're going to set up is a button. So, just to demonstrate how this is going to work, if I play and then disable the animator, he's going to Ragdoll. I don't know why the fuck. Okay, so this character might not have been the best choice, but it should work on most other characters because it's kind of getting fucked up now. But that's not a big deal. So what we're gonna do to control this is we're gonna make a new button, and without any code at all, we're gonna make a new function. Search up runner char skinned. and then we're going to select Animator, and where's enabled? Yeah, so we're going to go to bool enabled, and then it's going to be false. So if we play now, oh wait, shit, I need to make the button visible. So it's going to start down there, or at least it did for me. So I'm going to put this above here, or above the character, then play, and you click this button and he falls down. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.